So over the past decade, California fall red Chinook populations have been on a declining trend. With recent years of increased production from state-operated hatcheries, we've seen slight increases in abundance in the Feather River, the American River, and the McCallum River. However, over the last couple of years, returns to the upper Sacramento have been critically low. In response to the declining trend that we've seen in fall red Chinook populations, in the fall of 2024, CDFW increased hatchery production from the Feather River, Nimbus, and McCallum River fish hatcheries. And in total, we produced an additional 9.7 million fish. So with these 9.7 million fish, we're using a lot of new release strategies and release locations. So CDFW conducted 4 separate releases, totaling 3.5 million fish, and used release sites up at Redding, as well as here at Butte City. What this allows these fish to do is imprint on the upper Sacramento River with hopes that they're going to return to the spawning reaches of the upper Sacramento River over the next 2 to 4 years. So these fish are being released just ahead of a planned flow increase out of Shasta that is set to occur the day after we finish our releases. The increased flow that we'll see out of Shasta will increase survival of these fish through the Sacramento River and into the San Pablo Bay and San Francisco Bays. The coated wire tag that has been implanted in their snout can be recovered, and we could identify, individual fish from these release groups and then extrapolate on those data to create an estimate of adult contribution from these releases specifically. These releases are particularly taxing on our hatchery staff. They're often there arriving to the hatcheries early. It takes sometimes several hours to load fish into the trucks that we use to haul these fish. Then they're traveling, sometimes 100 miles, several hours to their release site, where then, they're coordinating and orchestrating a release of up to 10 different trucks. And it's a very large, laborious process. So the hatchery staff that are doing these releases have cared for these fish since literally they were born. So, this is kind of their last hurrah. They're able to send these fish that they've cared for the last several months off into the natural environment. And they take the utmost care in moving these fish around.